In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Manage.wix.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get from a quick Google search to the Google Tag Manager integration inside your Wix dashboard, so you can manage marketing tags without touching your site's code. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Wix. In the results, look for the official Wix listing that says something like Wix.com, Website Builder, create a free website in minutes, and click it. This is the fastest way to reach the Wix platform if you don't have a shortcut saved. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your Wix account so you can access your site's dashboard. If you manage multiple sites, make sure the correct site is selected at the top of the dashboard before moving on. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left-hand side for the main navigation and click Settings. The Settings area is the control room for your site, and it includes everything from general preferences to advanced integrations. To quickly locate what we need, use the search field at the top of the Settings page. Click into the search box and type the word Marketing. This narrows the options to anything related to marketing tools and saves you from scrolling through long menus. From the results, choose Marketing Integrations. This section is where Wix connects your site to third-party platforms like analytics, ads, and tag management tools. It's designed to centralize the setup so you don't have to manually add scripts to your site. On the Marketing Integrations page, scan the available options and select Google Tag Manager. Google Tag Manager, often called GTM, lets you install and manage tracking tags, such as analytics, conversion pixels, and custom scripts, from one place, without needing to publish new site code each time. After you click Google Tag Manager, you'll see the integration details and the on-screen prompts to connect it to your site. At this point, make sure you have access to your Tag Manager account and the correct container for your site. Double-check that you're working in the right environment, especially if you have multiple domains or workspaces, to keep your data clean and organized. If anything isn't visible, refresh the page, confirm you're in the correct site dashboard, and use the settings search again. That's it. Starting from a simple Google search, you've reached the Google Tag Manager integration in Wix, ready to streamline your marketing setup.